Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to recover deleted Chrome bookmarks. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to recover your deleted Chrome bookmarks, then you can simply do it by immediately pressing Ctrl plus Z in Windows or Command plus Z in MacBook in the Bookmark Manager, or by restoring your bookmark through the bookmarks.bak file on your device. So this file is in your user data folder. So key method include restoring via Windows File Explorer, checking another synced device, or using backup files. So you can also use the time machine to restore the bookmarks file to an earlier state. If you are using Chrome Sync, you can open Chrome on another device, that is a phone or a computer, where the bookmarks haven't been deleted yet, and allow it to sync. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.